Personal Capital Digital Wealth Robo-advisor for investing. Honest review, watch before using. Personal Capital's Digital Wealth Robo-advisor is a hybrid investing solution combining automated portfolio management with access to human financial advisors. It's designed for high net worth individuals seeking a mix of passive and personalized investing. The platform uses modern portfolio theory, MPT, to optimize investments, automatically rebalancing portfolios and implementing tax optimization strategies like tax loss harvesting. Unlike fully automated robo-advisors, Personal Capital provides access to dedicated financial advisors for accounts over $100,000, offering tailored guidance on wealth planning, retirement, and estate management. The biggest advantage? A sophisticated approach to diversification and risk management, leveraging low-cost ETFs across multiple asset classes. It also integrates seamlessly with Personal Capital's free financial planning tools, giving users a complete overview of net worth, cash flow, and retirement projections. However, this service isn't for beginners or small investors. There's a high $100,000 minimum investment, and management fees start at 0.89%, significantly higher than competitors like Betterment or Wealthfront. While you do get access to human advisors, they're not available 24/7, and some users report a push toward higher-tier advisory services. So who is it for? If you're an investor with 6 figures or more to invest, and you want a mix of robo-advising and human financial expertise, Personal Capital is a solid choice. If you're a beginner or someone looking for a low-fee, hands-off investing approach, other robo-advisors might be a better fit. The bottom line: Personal Capital's Digital Wealth Robo-advisor is a strong option for high-net-worth individuals who value active wealth management. But its high fees and investment minimums make it less appealing for everyday investors.